Hey guys, what's up? It's Joanna and welcome back to my channel. So today is another dark and gloomy day in November, and I thought to myself, what better way to cheer up than to take out all the holiday decor, set everything up, and just prepare for the best time of the year. Honestly, I'm so excited, and I don't know about you guys, but I think with everything that went on in 2020, I am in it to bring as much positive energy as I can until the rest of the year, and I thought this would be such a fun activity for us to do together. So today I'll be taking you guys on a little shopping trip with me. Let's go and see what we can add to my current collection. We'll take out my Christmas tree and the rest of the decor. You guys can come and decorate with me, and I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. So with that being said, I'm going to finish up the rest of my coffee and let's head out. My first stop was, of course, Homesense. This is my go-to for any sort of seasonal or decor items that I need, and this trip they definitely didn't disappoint. They had so many beautiful wreaths, I really had to stop myself from buying some, but they have the tabletop decor and different florals and ornaments, and I really love the fact that they kind of cater to any sort of color scheme, and you'll always find something there. Next, I stopped by Costco because I was in desperate need of this exact garland, and it was the perfect length and color. Okay, we're here, we're back, and we secured the goods. I made 2 stops, and it was pretty quick because I made a list and I was a girl on a mission. I needed to come back quickly, but I do think that with daylight savings, it literally feels like I'm exerting so much more energy. I need to drink some extra coffee. Regardless, let's get into what I got. So the first thing is this cute little flocked mini tree from Homesense, and I love this because it's the perfect size to go in my main hallway, and it comes with its own cute little pot, very simple and easy, and you just put it right there. And to go with that, no tree can go naked, so I needed to get some nice ornaments. They're green and red, extra festive, and I really like the fact that since these are the first things that people are going to see when they come into the house, it's a great color scheme. This was the perfect touch. Now, the third thing that I got were the set of, I think there's six picks, and really right now I don't exactly know where I'm going to put them because I think the color scheme is a bit off for my main tree, so maybe like a vase or something. We'll definitely figure that out as we go into the decorating phase, but I do really love the fact that these have the little red fake cranberries and they have the pine cones, and it's just really nice and festive. The last thing I got from Homesense was just this nice gold polka dotted craft paper, wrapping paper, and I really needed this just out of necessity because I have extra gifts to wrap, and then also really like the fact that this is super versatile because it's not extremely festive, so when I have extras left over I can use it for the rest of the year and that won't be an issue. The last thing that I need to get, and I'll insert a close-up here, is a garland for my fireplace, and I specifically needed one that was 9 feet so it could go all the way around, and when I was at Homesense there just wasn't one that really quite fit my aesthetic, so I went all the way to Costco to lug it back home, and I really love this one because it has a little bit of the red touch but then also metallic, and it's also kind of flocked. So it really blended in all of the different looks in the decor that I was looking for, and it was really a nice like centerpiece in the house for sure. Now that we have everything, let's get decorating. We'll be bringing out the tree and all of the rest of the decorations, and I can't wait to have you guys join me. Let's go. Starting off with the main entryway, I really wanted to just keep it simple and have the tree be the main center of focus, adding in a few of the mini ornaments and then balancing it out with a small diffuser. Now it's on to our favorite part, the tree. I've recruited my husband Anthony to do all of the heavy lifting since I'm a bit more of the creative visionary of this project. And for us, we start off by placing our heavier and bigger ornaments all over the tree so they're more spread out, and then we fill in all of the gaps with the smaller ones. And we make sure to place some of the reflective ornaments right near all of the flashing lights so they're even more reflective and pretty throughout. And of course, the final touches, we top it off with our favorite star. And we're just finishing some of the final touches, and something that I really like to do with my trees is, you see these gold ribbons here? I love to cut these into individual pieces, and especially the ones with the glitter. What I do is I take them and I find kind of those gaps along the trees, and I've already started kind of doing these. So basically, if I'm seeing somewhere where the tree is looking a bit empty and still within view, what I like to do is I like to tuck these ribbons kind of in and around the trees in different areas, and especially areas that are behind the twinkling lights. So if you put this here, and let me try and do this one-handed, but kind of tuck these in and then tuck the corner over here. What the effect really gives is that not only does it fill in the gaps, but the glitter really just reflects off of those lights and it makes it look even more twinkly and pretty. I will finish doing the rest of the tree and filling those gaps and show you guys the final product. For my dining table, it was time to say goodbye to all of my fall pumpkins, and I decided to put these Christmas picks in a marble vase, and I topped it off with a extra gold and sparkly one because I felt like it tied everything together nicely throughout the house. The last thing that I needed to put up was just the garland, so I secured it with some command hooks, and then I went ahead and looped around these fairy lights so it could give it that one last special touch. Now let me show you guys the final look. So for the front hallway console table, I decided to add in some additional red picks just to balance out the color, and then added in one more candle to really give this a completed look. On top of the fireplace, I put some pampas grass with the cotton buds to just tie in the neutral tones from the rest of the house. And then I have these additional lights and the light box that I change up the message to go with every season. And this is the view of the room from the other side. As you can see, the fireplace really acts as this grounding central entity within the open space, and it's really nice that you can basically see all of the decor from any spot, and it's a perfect view for the tree, and we'll do some close-ups so you guys can see what the final decorations look like. And you'll see that I definitely went back in and added a lot more ribbons so I can cover up any sort of dead space along the tree. So now that you guys have seen everything, thank you so much for coming on this decorating journey with me. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment box down below what your go-to decor tips are for the holidays. I think for me personally, I'm always out there searching for more ideas and things to add, so it would be so great to learn from you guys too. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.